In today's video, I'm going to reveal to you an amazing strategy to make money with CPA marketing. I'm going to also show you a free ad website that you can also go on to utilizing to promote your CPA marketing offers, and how to also get other free ad websites to help you get better traffic to your CPA offers if you do stick on with me to the video. And if you're new to the channel right here, OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways to make money online, either with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, or the use of some AI tools. If you do like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right there. You could also make sure, guys, that you do subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I do release some cool content that could help you boost your income online. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video. So if you're using a CPA marketing platform, you could use CPAGRip, or you may actually want to use any other CPA marketing platform of your choice. This is actually going to work for any CPA marketing platform available. So you can register for an account. It is easy to register. You just need to follow the necessary procedure, which will be shown after clicking on register, to provide your basic details and get your account created. Then go back to logging into your account. Once you log into your account, come onto this page right here by clicking on this offer tools option. A drop down list will be shown to you. Select my offers and you'll be brought to a page similar to this. You can filter your offers based on country. Select countries like the United States because they are actually countries that are actually easier to go into promoting offers to. You can actually filter your offers based on payouts. Click on payouts and you can see that these are actually the highest paying offer on this particular demographic, which pays about $3.29 right now. But I usually prefer selecting offers that are kind of like email and zip submit offers because they are much more easier to promote. So if I select one of these offers right now, as you can see, this offer right here is for $1,000 cash giveaway for my leads right now, which means that my leads needs to come from the United States. They need to use a desktop device to submit their email address and zip code while utilizing this my unique affiliate link to go onto that website. And I do get paid $2.31 for each and every single person that fulfills this criteria and go on to completing that offer right now. So basically, to promote this, you want to just simply click on copy link and create a simple landing page to the offer, because landing pages actually help you get better conversions to your CPA marketing offers. That's why you could utilize platforms like Systemy.io. You may actually utilize platforms like Breezy.io also to create simple landing pages right now. There are a lot of websites that you could create landing pages for absolutely free, and that could help you right there. If you want to learn more about creating landing pages and how to create landing pages, and you want to get a step-by-step tutorial guide, I have some videos on my channel that shows you how to do just that. You can actually come onto my channel, OJ Marketing, click on this search icon and just simply go on to typing in landing page in that section. If you do type in landing page and click on enter, it's actually going to take you to such section where you can actually do see the videos I created for you on how to create landing pages right now, either with the Breezy.io, with the Google site right here, with Systemy.io, with Breezy.cloud, and also Webflow right now. You can actually do see a lot of cool videos to show you how to create simple landing pages right now, and all this are step-by-step guides. So watch those videos, create landing pages, link the landing page to your CPA offer, and go on to promoting that using a free ad platform called quickad.com. And this is an amazing platform right here that you could promote your CPA marketing offers for free by running free ads. To do so, come right here to the platform, which is quickad.com. As you can see right here, this is the domain. If you click on post a free ad, it's going to load up and take you to a page where you want to select the country which you want to drive traffic to. I'm going to select the United States. I'm also going to go on to selecting the states also in the United States and also the city right there. So if I just select all that right now, I can select the kind of offer right now. As you can see, you can just simply select the category of the offer right here. Maybe I could just simply select make money, and you want to just simply select the subcategory also. If it's affiliate marketing, business opportunity, internet marketing, investment, network marketing, or work from house jobs. So right now you could just simply select business opportunity right now, or any option of your choice, and you just need to fill out these details right here. As you can see, it says your ad will be posted in make money / business opportunity in this particular city in California and will expire in 60 days. You can actually change the location and you could change the category right here. But all you need to do is to actually go on to inserting a very cool and amazing title to this particular ad that you intend on running. Also adding a cool description, and since that you're actually going to be adding a cool and catchy stuff that can enable you get a lot of leads to that particular CPA marketing offer, things that can actually help you get people's attention right there. And you could use AI tools to go on to writing such kinds of stuff. You could actually write some cool stuff right there, or some cool ad copies with AI tools like ChatGPT, Copy AI, Perplexity AI, and some other AI tools out there. So you could leverage that, write cool and amazing copies that you can use to get people's attention. And also make sure that your link to your CPA marketing offer or your landing page is in the description right here in this section. Now, once you actually go through, you can actually fill out your email address. You can actually come right here and check out all these optional fields right there. As you can see, the price is actually optional, but make sure that you select the free, because you want to give them for free right there. Insert your phone number and all these contact details, and all these are actually optional. You can see that all these fields are optional right now. Once you're done, just simply click on continue and post your ad for free. And guys, that's absolutely amazing right now. Now, in order for you to actually go on to getting other cool platforms that can enable you go on to promoting your ad for absolutely free right now, you could just simply utilize a simple strategy right here. But before I dive right into that strategy, since we are actually only focused on this city in California right now, you could also go on to focusing on other locations in California to promote this same ad or this same offer right now. And you could also focus on other locations in the United States, as other states in the United States, to promote that CPA marketing offer, so you can reach out to a lot of audience. And you could also utilize other platforms like right there. To get such platforms, like I said, I'm going to show you earlier, is to actually come on to Google and search for SiteLike. If you do search for SiteLike, you can see the first option right here, which is the sitelike.org. Click on that right now. It's going to actually take you to a page such as this, where you just need to go on to type in that particular web domain of that platform which we used earlier, which is the quickad.com. So if I do come right here to this platform right here, what I'm going to do is to come onto this example section, and I'm just going to come right here, type in the quickad.com. So if you type in that right now, and you do go on to clicking on this search icon right here, as you can see guys, it's going to load up for you, and you can actually do go on to seeing similar sites like Quick Ad and Quick Ad alternatives. Now you can see the first one right here is a Quick Ad, and you can actually do see the ranking of this particular website, and also the Facebook like, and you can see the engagement which you'll be able to get from that website. Now you can go on to seeing right here a similar site to quickad.com. You can see the top 33 Quick Ad alternatives that are actually top 33 similar websites to Quick Ad that you could promote ads for absolutely free. You can see right here, this is actually the princeclassified.com. If you do scroll down, you can see this one is the classy4you.com. Scroll down also, you can see this is the Malayali classifieds.com. And if you scroll through, you'll be able to see a lot more cool ones right there. This is the free classified sites.com. So keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see up to 33 similar websites to Quick Ad that you could promote your CPA marketing offers for absolutely free by running free ads and get to a lot of traffic. So guys, utilize this and get a lot of websites and promote your ad for free and make money online. If you have any question, drop that in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to go on to giving you a reply as soon as possible. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.